All right. So guys, this first sale for yesterday, I ended up making over $1,900 at that. The situation with this particular customer was because they already had a term life policy, and we basically just helped them convert it into a permanent coverage to where they would have cash value and they're not going to have to worry about it ever lapsing on them or outliving the policy, anything like that. Let's go ahead and have a look.
Yeah, so this 4 years protection I've got is worthless, huh?
The 15-year one, I mean, it's your choice, right? To each their own. Some people just like to actually go with that, but I'll give you the options to how much exactly is it going to cost you if you were to get something that is permanent and that is guaranteed to pay out no matter what happens, at what age it happens. And guess what? If nothing happens to you in the next 10, 20 years and you have your mortgage paid off, you can get all the money back that you have in your cash value account and interest on top of that. Make sense?
That's sweet.
So, go ahead.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, because right now, I'm not going to touch your pre-existing whole life. Yeah, it doesn't have any living benefits, right? But the reality is that will be the cheapest that you will ever get that 40,000 coverage for, right? So that's going to take care of your sister. I'm not that kind of an agent who will just tell you that, hey, just get everything with me.
Right.
Anybody tells you to cancel that whole life, right? That you got about 12 years ago, that is stupid. You should not do that, with all due respect. And if any agent tells you that, they're not keeping your best interest at heart.
I see. Yeah, I agree.
So keep that 40,000 and that $30,000 one. We'll go ahead and see what that looks like. I'm going to give you some different options. You let me know which one of the options makes the most sense. Let me see here. For you will be, were you looking to try to have like the whole thing paid off, or were you wanting to go for more coverage, or were you just wanting to kind of stay around the same price range?
Let's go for 30,000.
30,000.
My thoughts are that I want to downsize. I want to get something smaller.
Gotcha. That's amazing. And the thing about this coverage is that it actually stays with you, right? Even if you move or something like that, because it's associated with yourself as a person, not with the property. Okay.
Right. Okay.
So do you want me to go for 40,000 or 30,000? $40,000 if you can get approved, because your age will be $165.14 a month, and $30,000 for you is going to be
123.
123.85. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's go for 30,000.
30,000. Okay.